3 ASX stocks gaining market attention: ZLD, AMD, RIE. Highlights. Benchmark index ASX 200 settled nearly flat this week. The slowing Chinese economy was one of the major reasons influencing the market this week. Despite the existing environment, ASX Stocks ZLD, AMD, and RIE gained huge market attention. In the trading week ended July 15, 2022, ASX 200 index settled almost flat. On July 15, 2022, ASX 200 slipped 0.68% to 6,605.60 and crossed below its 20-day moving average, driven by a slowing Chinese economy due to rising COVID-19 cases, crisis in property and banking sectors. These factors have impacted the profits of many big players from the mining space. Despite these ongoing challenges in the market, many ASX-listed stocks have grabbed huge market attention this week. This article will look at 3 such stocks and see their developments this week. Zelira Therapeutics Ltd, ASX, ZLD. Zelira Therapeutics grabbed investor attention following the release of an update related to the approval of Zenabol registered from the German regulatory authority BfArM, the Federal Institute for Drugs and Medical Devices Bundesinstitut für Arzneimittel und Medizinprodukte, via its German commercialization partner Agipharm GmbH. Zelira Therapeutics is engaged in researching, developing, and commercializing clinically validated cannabinoid medicines. It has a portfolio of proprietary revenue-generating products along with a pipeline of candidates undergoing clinical development that are placed to access the largest and fastest-growing markets in the world. This week, ZLD shares delivered a massive return of 142.76%. On July 15, 2022, ZLD shares settled at $3.520, up 8.978% from the previous close. The company highlighted that the formal approval of Zenabol registered is a major milestone in the company's expansion into Germany, amongst the world's biggest cannabinoid-based medicines and Europe's largest market. Arrow Minerals Limited, ASX, AMD. Gold-focused mineral exploration company Arrow Minerals shares zoomed on ASX this week by 100%. On July 13, 2022, the company announced that it entered into a non-binding term sheet to acquire up to a 60.5% controlling interest in Amalgamated Minerals Pte. Limited. Amalgamated Minerals is a private Singaporean registered company that has 100% interest in the Simandou North Iron Project in Guinea, West Africa. This project is an excellent early-stage chance that offers AMD with admission to the top iron belt in West Africa at a time where important infrastructural developments are in progress. On the same day, the company announced that it received firm commitments from qualified, sophisticated and professional investors to raise $350,000 via the issue of 58,333,334 fully paid ordinary shares in AMD. Each share under this placement will be issued at 0.6 cents. The proceeds from the placement will be used on AMD's current projects and to complete due diligence on the Simandou North Iron Project, which has been secured under a 3-month exclusivity period. By the end of the day's trade on July 15, 2022, AMD shares settled at 0.005, up 25% from the previous close. Real Resources Limited, ASX, RIE. Real Resources shares moved up over 33% this week. On July 15, 2022, the company announced that it received further high-grade assays from the Tintic Zone at Kingman Gold Project, USA. Real Resources is a developing mineral exploration business that focuses on advancing the historic high-grade Kingman Gold Project in northwest Arizona. 1.5 meters at 27.5 grams per ton and 37 grams per ton AG from 13.7 meters, 2022 CHL008B, including 0.8 meters at 53.3 grams per ton and 63 grams per ton AG from 13.7 meters. 3.0 meters at 5.05 grams per ton and 58 grams per ton AG from 27.4 meters, 2022 CHL096, including 1.5 meters at 9.37 grams per ton 112 grams per ton AG, 2.4% PB and 2.2% ZN from 27.4 meters. 3.0 meters at 2.53 grams per ton and 13 grams per ton AG from 12.2 meters, 2022 CHL097A, including 1.5 meters at 4.07 grams per ton and 18 grams per ton AG from 12.2 meters. 1.5 meters at 6.77 grams per ton and 23 grams per ton AG from 11.4 meters, 2022 CHL 097, including 0.8 meters at 11.47 grams per ton and 35 grams per ton AG from 11.4 meters. 2.3 meters at 2.62 grams per ton and 21 grams per ton AG from 46.5 meters, 2022 CHL 075E, including 0.8 meters at 6.16 grams per ton and 42 grams per ton AG from 46.5 meters. By the end of the day's trade on July 15, 2022, RIE shares made by the above companies amid the existing market condition from the previous their stock prices on ASX. It would be interesting to see how these stocks will perform in the coming period.